Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate a photo on VSCO. So first of all you want to open the VSCO app, so just click on the VSCO application. Then you want to go to the studio and then you want to create a montage. So let's just click on the montage right here and select a photo that we would like to start with. So let's maybe choose this one and click next. And now, as you can see, we do have only one scene right now, so let's just click duplicate. And as you can see, we have duplicated this scene. We can also duplicate it multiple times, so we are going to have multiple scenes with the same photo, and we can edit every single one as you would like to edit it. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!